Good morning, students. Today I will speak on oscillators. Oscillators is used to get the oscillations in the output needed for the circuit. Oscillators are signal sources. Many times it is necessary to generate waveforms with a known wave shape, frequency and amplitude. A laboratory signal generates perhaps a signal which is required. A basic oscillator has all elements in the circuit. This circuit is not particularly efficient or cost effective, but it is illustrated with important points that the gain loop of oscillator circuit must be greater than 1 and the loop phase must be multiple of 360. This is the oscillator which uses two op-amp, R1 and output in the input op-amp and R4, R5 in the output op-amp in between a RC circuit and a RL circuit. Output is obtained at the second op-amp, which gives the oscillator. This basically implies a positive feedback. To provide a gain, pair of inputting amplifiers are used. The two op-amp are used to buffer the output signal. As each stage produces a 180 degree shift, the shift of this pair is 360. The product of the gains has to be larger than the loss produced by the frequency selecting network. The network is made up of R3, L and C because LC combination produces an impedance peak at the resonant frequency. F0, a minimum loss will occur. Also at resonance, the circuit is basically resistive, so no phase change occurs. Consequently, the circuit should oscillate at F0 set by L and C. One of the op-amp stages, there will not be enough system gain to overcome the tank circuit loss, thus oscillations will cease. You can also verify the phase requirement by placing one of the inputting amplifiers with a non-inverting amplifier to equal the gain. The result loop phase of 180 degree will halt oscillation. This circuit does not include any form of automatic gain adjustment, so output signal must be clipped. If properly chosen, a slew rate of op-amp must be used as a limit factor. Although this circuit does work points on the specifics, it is certainly not a topic of choice of oscillator design. Op-amp basic oscillator, which use positive feedback and Parcasian criteria. In earlier work, we examined the concept of negative feedback for the comparators and for the instrumentation amplifiers. Here a portion of the output signal is sent back to the input and summed out of phase with the input signal. The difference between the two signals then is what amplified. The result is stability in the circuit response because large open loop gain effectively forces the difference between signal to be small. Something quite different happens if feedback signal is summed in phase with the input signal as shown. In this case, the combined signal looks just like the output signal as long as the open loop gain of the amplifier is larger than the feedback factor. The signal can be constantly generated. This means that the signal source can be removed. In effect, the output of the circuit is used to create its own input. As long as the power is maintained to the circuit, the output signal will continue practically forever. This self-perpetuating state is called oscillation. Oscillation will cease if the product of open loop and feedback factor falls below unity or if the feedback signal is not returned perfectly in phase. This combination of factors is called as Parcasian oscillation criteria, in which we have taken positive feedback. This forms the oscillator. So oscillator is a basic positive feedback circuit. Thank you.